Hello, ReadyAPI community. I'm welcoming you in SmartBear Talks, where we're discussing exciting and trendy topics with software testing experts. And today we have a special guest for you. This person knows everything about ReadyAPI. Please meet our ReadyAPI Product Owner, Temil Sanchez. Hi, Temil. How are you?
Hello, Tatiana. I'm very well. How about you?
I'm wonderful. Thanks a lot for joining us today to talk about ReadyAPI and to talk about you. How do you work with ReadyAPI? So I know that our customers knows that SmartBear has offices in many countries around the world. Could you please share from where you are work and what do you do specific for SmartBear?
Yeah, so I work out of the Somerville office. For those of you that don't know, Somerville is about 1 or 2 miles north of Boston. And uh, on a day-to-day, I work very closely with the development team and ensuring that we are putting the most valuable functionality forward in Ready API to really produce value and provide value to our users so that they can automate and develop great quality APIs.
Okay, wonderful. It looks it sounds like a very great job. And how did you get into the product team?
Yeah, so I've actually been working for Ready API and SmartBear for a very long time now. It's been about 8 years. I joined the team back in 2012. And before that, I used to use SoapUI open source quite a bit to run some automated API tests. And over the years, I eventually became a solutions engineer at SmartBear and helping users to implement Ready API in the correct ways to really accelerate their development processes and be able to run automated tests and validate that their services weren't finding any particular defects that were regression defects and helping also generate unit tests to ensure that developers are able to check the work as they're developing APIs. Also worked a lot within the virtualization space to ensure that our users took advantage of mocking capabilities and virtualizing APIs accordingly to again see acceleration in the development process when building APIs. So again, it's been a very extensive journey. There's so much into it. It's been very fruitful for myself being able to see all different types of environments and help users really accelerate their development process.
So that's great. I didn't realize that you used to work with SOAP UI before joining SmartBear, and it sounds like you are working with APIs for kind of a long time. And you can say you saw the tools and the services that was at the beginning when which allowed you to working with API and what we have now, even in Ready API. And I suppose the changes and the changes between those tools are so significant.
Yes, definitely. So it's great to see how the industry has evolved, right? When I started using SOAP UI, SOAP services were really popular to connect services
Yeah.
together and have them talk to each other. And REST became really popular and it blew up in the industry and it made things more accessible to other users and the openness of how data paths was really important. And now we're moving into a new age where event-driven services are becoming more and more popular, and there's new technology around that as well.
Okay. And in your current position as a product owner of such a great product Ready API, what's the most rewarding part of your day-to-day work?
I'd say that one of the most rewarding parts is being able to really help users and show how we can provide value and help them in the development process, right? One thing that I'm a very strong component is whatever can be automated should be automated and by machines, right? And humans should be left to be able to make decisions and provide new ideas so we can innovate faster, right? Let the machines do the busy work, the automation work, and let humans actually do the thoughtful part of developing software.
Okay, great. I like that you like talking with our users, and I hope that you use the Ready API community to communicate with our customers, and actually you do.
Yes, yes, I do that on a day-to-day basis. When I can reach out to somebody personally and try to have a conversation or get a jump on a call with them just to get their ideas and their experiences, that's definitely a very fruitful experience for myself.
Okay, it's great to hear this. I like that you enjoy being with the SmartBear community and reading comments of our users there. And if at the beginning of the interview, I said that you know everything about Ready API, but I'm sure you know even more about Ready API. Can you share maybe some great features which we can expect in Ready API?
So Ready API is already a really extensive platform with so many functionalities in it. A lot of the focus that we have right now is around consolidating a lot of those features, a lot of those experiences that users are having, so that when they need to test something like a new protocol, it doesn't look completely different, right? So it's a very native experience from start to finish. So there's a lot of work to consolidate that right now, and also we try to keep up with the industry, right? Ready API is known to be a fully functional API testing platform. APIs means a lot of things today, right? Again, like I said previously, started with SOAP services. We also support RESTful, obviously, very extensively. Event-driven APIs. Something that's coming up more and more is Kafka, right? So this is definitely something that we plan on supporting, as well as we support RESTful services and SOAP services and some IoT services today.
Okay, great. So Kafka, it's the future for us.
Yes, and again, it's not just about Kafka. It's more about being able to support common protocols in the industry. And right now, the answer is yes, it's Kafka.
Okay,
So
well,
so hopefully we'll see that in the next couple of months, or sometime soon.
okay, we will look forward for the new release and update it soon. And I know that as a product owner, I'm sure you have lots of work, and especially right now when all of us work remotely, and it's very difficult to just finish work on time because you're in front of the computer practically each day, each day, and all the day. How do you balance your work life style at the moment?
Yeah, it's been very difficult in this crazy last year with the pandemic and all that. And it's what I've done personally is I made sure to put items on the calendar so that I have time to step away from my computer and ensure that I also have some family time and some time to exercise, and not be in front of the computer for 14 and 15 hours a day. But yeah, it's definitely been a new experience, and balancing has definitely become a lot more challenging. But again, what helps with that is definitely putting reminders in the work calendar to ensure to step away and make sure to also, have some family time and time to exercise and be healthy.
It's a great one. I even have reminders in my working calendar to make some break. So like 15 minutes in 2 hours, because without seeing these reminders, I will simply work and work and work.
That's right. That's right.
Okay, that was so interesting, and uh, actually, I do not have any questions to you at the moment, but I'm sure the community will have them. And please, guys, if you have any questions, please post your comments here, and I'm sure that we will bring them to Temil, and he will be happy to reply them. Temil, if you have anything to say to the Ready API community, you are welcome.
Yeah. So I just really appreciate the level of conversations that we see in the community and the asks and the reaches out. We really appreciate that. Please keep them coming. This definitely feeds our product team, and helps us understand what are the real problems that our users are having. So again, I really appreciate that. And again, if there's any questions for myself, feel free to post them below.
Sure, thank you. I'm sure that the community will keep posting the questions.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, and thank you for your time. I'm sure the community will find something more interesting about you.
Yeah, thank you very much, Tatiana. Thank you for the interview. This was great.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye.